Hi guys, and welcome back again to another episode of my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we'll be looking at hi guys and welcome back. So I saw this video online where this DJ, I think it's DJ Magnum or something like that, I stand to be corrected, a Guyanese DJ, in the dancehall entertainment industry. What I don't understand is he has come out and made some allegations, and he was saying some things about VYBZ Cartel. Now, as much as I am not a fan of VYBZ Cartel, I don't understand why have people waited so long to come out and say what they have to say in regards to this man? Now, I am not a VYBZ Cartel fan, as I've said before, but give to Caesar what is due to Caesar. All these allegations that this man has come out and how angry he was, and the stuff that he was saying, but at the same time, he didn't have no receipt to prove what he said. He said some stuff, he said some stuff that if I were him, I would be careful, because you can't just go on and say things about people and you don't have any evidence as to what you're talking about. Like, how is that gonna fare out? Like, you can't just come and just throw accusations on people and you don't show any proof of what you're saying. You understand? So since Lisa Hyper come out with her issue that she had with Kartel, and she said, oh, Kartel was doing what to her since she was whatever year old, it's like all these people are coming out now and acting as if they know what's going on, and everybody's saying that Lisa Hyper is telling the truth. Mind you, I'm not saying she's not. I'm just saying, why is it that they're coming out against VYBZ Cartel now for a reason? Something must. Like, why is it that you decide to come out and say things like VYBZ Cartel know what happened to Mavado's mom, how she died, and you're throwing all kind of accusations and saying all kind of stuff, but you haven't showed us anything. You understand me? Yes, VYBZ Cartel is not perfect, and I'm sure he has a lot of issue, and he has issues with lots and lots of people, I could imagine. But at the same time, if you're saying you are aware of all these things that was going on, why didn't you say something? Why is it now that it's as if you're jumping on the bandwagon to say, oh, Carter this and Carter that, and the things that you know, and if you should say certain, like, if you're saying things, you have to come out and show proof. You understand? Guys, let me insert a clip of what he's actually saying, and then we'll come back and discuss. I'll see you in 2. Peace.
Big man thing, bro. Yeah, because if you follow back our man, I both our man. We know Lisa I from she a 5. Watch her grow when she turn 16. Fuck her. Then go video her and put out the picture out there. And then see her mad and have all of them money and turn your back on her. If I meet the Lisa father, me alright. How me if you follow blood clot cartel? When me see killer Rice Cartel, and then Cartel stays up and come cuss killer the nastiest way. Well, listen what me I telling you. If Cartel can cuss Bounty Killer, then he can cuss any artist. So some artists when they run Cartel attack about loyalty, when a blood clot idiot. Now that's why the most loyal man pan the Gaza can't even go up on the plane with blood clot Cartel. And at 13 years him sit down in a blood clot jail.
So, sorry. So you heard what DJ Magnum has to say in regards to VYBZ Kartel because he's probably upset with VYBZ Kartel at the moment for whatever reason it is. But what I don't understand is this thing with Lisa Hyper, it's not now we are hearing about it. For those of us who follows dancehall, the dancehall thing, the dancehall gossip, the dancehall. For those of us who keep up, we know what happened to Lisa Hyper back a couple years ago when when she was videoed by KARTEL allegedly and sent it out to the whole world to see. And it's not the first time Lisa talk all of what Lisa is talking now. But why is it that they choose to come out now to speak on all the things that all the accusation that has been made against VYBZ Kartel? Why is it that no, everybody are come out like me not, I don't get that. I don't get that. I understand that, yes, for people who wasn't paying attention or for people who didn't know, we know about what he's like. That is KARTEL I'm talking. And they know what he's like because they have been in close proximity to him. So they know everything. So why now him choose to come out and talk? No. But at the same time, he's entitled to say whatever he has to say. And I guess his opinion is as valid as all our opinions because at the end of the day, we really don't know what really took place. But then he's the one that brought it to the internet. So from it's on the internet, we have all right to talk about it. You understand? We have all right to react on it. But again, the allegations with KARTEL and Lisa, it is so disgraceful, disgusting, and with all the people that is not calling VYBZ Kartel out, or for the people who pretend that a long time now, so Lisa must forget about it and all of those things. Well, you can't really say that because everybody know how them feel. Anyway, I'm gonna upload a next clip with this same DJ Khalid, and we're gonna hear what else he has to say because the man is so heated and ignorant. People can come online and ignorant, so no, so anyway, let's listen.
Lad God, pussy me see everything where you do KARTEL. When Mavado did I come to Guyana, you go turn on your phone, put a DJ for play and fling something like money pull up, cause you want to manipulate Gully God like say you and him more close. And Magnum is an outsider pussy. Well, make me tell you this. You know say all now you can't go near blood clot Gully God. All now because guess what? You know, me I tell you no, KARTEL, you know how Mavado mother died. You know how Dante, their prison. You know how I do wanna pick me dead. You know.
But for a grown man, this man sound bitter. This man sound jealous. Like, why if KARTEL did all of that with Mavado song and fi play money pull up and all these things, fi hype and did for him. Like, no man, something alright with what he's saying. If you're a grown man, you can't go on like you're jealous over another man relationship with somebody else, a fellow artist or whatnot. Anyway, let's finish listening to what more he has to say. After listening to the rest of the clip of this gentleman, how him know say KARTEL know all of these things? How him know how Mavado, how him know say KARTEL know say how Mavado mother died? Or how him know how Dante, which is Mavado's son now, he's did a long stretch in a prison, couple years, not 30 years or something like that. And he's about 18 or something. 18, 19, 20 them age. But how this man know all of these things? This man all talk about Sean Storm and why Sean Storm go to 13 years with them and in calf. Like, why it just these people come at him in a competition like they're not happy with what they're doing or where they're reaching out life, because if he's saying he he knows the Vybz Kartel know all of these things, then why he's not going to the authority to let the authority know what he knows, since he is convinced that Vybz Kartel know all of these things? Why I'm telling you, as I said, I am not a Kartel fan, but sometimes when some people come up with some stories sometimes, like you never hear of them, because I've never heard of this man before, but for some reason, by calling the DJ name, I mean, probably everybody wants to get a highlight, I guess. This is social media, so everybody want the likes, the comments, and the share. Anyway, remember to like, comment, and share this video as I'm speaking to you. But yes, let me know what you guys think about what this DJ is saying. Why is he just coming out now? Like, you have all of those information and you have all of those proof. But why you wait until probably something happened? Because something must have happened to trigger him off. Why you wait until now to come and tell us all of this, and why you're not going to the relevant authorities? Anyway, guys, remember to like the video, share, and subscribe, and let's look at the other clip.
No. Because you know me a bad man selector, though. When you know me a bad man, and it's on a social media, man. Say that boy can try this, you know. I make me show you gangster game, blood clot play. When a little idiot, hungry belly, rice it up, pussy hole, you know. Batty man, you know. Suck on a mother. Big pussy mother. Give me a video, see?
So after the video came out with DJ Magnum dissing up Vybz Kartel and talking a lot of stuff about Vybz Kartel, Lisa Hyper, Mavado, and you know, a video came up of him now. Someone has looked like somebody beat him up. I don't know if the video is new, but it is surfacing online now after he did that TikTok or whatever live that he did. But why would, oh God, it's not right. Whatever, people are free to say whatever they say, but you can't physically, you have to watch what you say still. Cross out that I say a while ago. Yeah, in the world that we're living today, you have to be careful of the things that you say, because people think differently now, and people, the fans of artists, they take their artists very serious. They like their audience. These people it's like they're following a cult, so you have to be careful with what you're saying. I hope it's not because of what he came out and said that someone has taken it upon themselves to go and do this to this guy, because at the end of the day, nobody deserves to be beaten up. Nobody at all deserves to be beaten up. So I hope DJ Magnum, I hope it's not afterwards, because that would be really sad that you can't speak, because people are gonna send their goons or whatever to come and attack you. That's not right. That's just not right. So I don't know. Let me know what you think, your thoughts. Let me know in the comment section. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next